Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. We're back for another year of concrete. So our first project's pretty nice. We're doing a back patio, a front porch with the sidewalk to a new driveway. So we're definitely hitting the ground running. We started a week later than usual, but we're here now. We're excited to get to work. Hope you guys like what you see. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye. All right, guys, there it is. So here's the driveway that we're eventually going to replace. So I have no problem pulling in on it and making a pile of dirt from the back. That porch is coming out. That driveway is coming out. So originally they didn't even contract us to do that porch over there. But I was like, you know, if you're going to hire us to do everything, we're just going to throw that in there. I mean, we charge well, so a little bit extra like that just makes us look better because the work is complete. But here's the back porch, guys, back patio. We got our mats down, we got our chairs down. So what happened here, there was like some foundation issues, and check this out. Look at this wall, check this out. It's like, well, it's kind of it was kind of floating. Basically, if my form wasn't there, this thing just wiggles, and that's a whole wall, which isn't great because someone tried to do some sort of repair and it was bad. Either way, we're here now. There's everything good to go. Plenty of road base, compacted hard. We compacted what was under here, but we are good to shoot. So we are pouring this tomorrow morning at 8. It is technically still winter, so we're pouring a little later, and we may have to cover this, but tomorrow night we're looking good. The night after that we're looking good, but hopefully this comes out good, and we're excited to see y'all, and hopefully you guys are excited to see us. See you guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. I can go back to being my typical stuff. They got it now. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. The pour went well. Look at that. We poured at 8 in the morning, 5-inch slump with 1% non-chloride accelerant. Came out really, really nice. I mean, this is about as simple as concrete can really be. A nice simple rectangle. Oops. I just started. It's my first job, guys. It takes a while to warm back up into it. But anyways, came out really nice. We were thinking about facing this, but the yard here is about at level, and we just decided, you know what, we're not gonna mess with it. It's just not high enough off the ground. All you got to do is backfill a little bit. But anyways, tomorrow we're working on the front, and then next week hopefully we're gonna pour the front at some point, even though the weather's kind of iffy. But so far this is great. Weather tonight is not even cold. Tomorrow night's not even cold, so it should work out real nice. See you then, guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So we got everything laid out, we're framed, we're good to go. We're gonna be pouring tomorrow, actually in 2 days at 7. We're gonna cover up so it doesn't get snowed on, rained on tomorrow, and the day after that we'll pour it out. By the time you guys see this is 2 weeks after we started this project, but it should come out really well. Thanks for stopping by, and see you guys tomorrow at the pour. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning, 5-inch slump with 1% non-chloride accelerant. So the whole day is going to be really, really warm. We shouldn't have to cover tonight. We're going to just keep an eye on it. We might not. I'm going to just see how it looks tonight, but we shouldn't have to. Take a look, everything went well. Instead of having the step in the front, now we have the step going this way. We filled in that whole space there. Driveway came out really, really nice. We got plenty of slope away. I mean, everything in the back came out good. Thanks for sticking around for our first project. Next week, we're doing a pad for a swim spa and a hot tub. So stick around for that. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.